Choosing the 5 best embroidery machines for small business can get overwhelming fast. So in this countdown, we're ranking the 5 best embroidery machines for small business for beginners starting Etsy shops, side hustles, and apparel brands. If you're looking for the best embroidery machines for small business, let's get into it. At number 5 is the Brother PE900. I put the PE900 here because for many beginners, this is the lowest risk entry into paid embroidery work. Pricing typically runs between $1,000 and $1,300, but realistically, your startup cost lands closer to $1,500 to $1,800 once thread kits, stabilizers, software, extra bobbins, and blanks start piling up. From a machine standpoint, you're getting a single needle embroidery-only machine with a maximum speed of 650 stitches per minute and a 5x7-inch embroidery field. Built-in storage includes 193 embroidery designs, 13 embroidery fonts, wireless LAN connectivity, color sort capability, and automatic jump stitch trimming. It uses Brother PES file compatibility and includes a 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen. For beginners, setup is probably 2 to 3 hours before first stitches. Threading is straightforward, and Brother's automatic needle threader reduces mistakes. The PE900 weighs around 14 pounds, making it easy to move in a home workspace. Now here's what changes once customer orders arrive. A simple 6-color left chest logo around 8,000 stitches could require 6 manual thread changes. That sounds manageable until you embroider 10 shirts back to back. Production becomes the issue. The machine itself isn't unreliable, it's simply built around home workflow, not commercial output. For Etsy stores doing occasional personalization work, it works well, but for beginners planning serious order volume, growth comes faster than expected. That's why it starts at number 5. At number 4 is the Genome MB4S. This machine ranks here because it introduces true business workflow without jumping straight into intimidating commercial systems. Pricing generally ranges from $4,500 to around $6,500, depending on dealer packages and software bundles. The MB4S uses 4 needles and reaches a maximum embroidery speed of roughly 800 stitches per minute. The embroidery area measures approximately 9.4 by 7.9 inches, and the machine supports file formats including JEF, JEF+, and industry-standard DST files. Machine weight comes in around 50 pounds, immediately giving it a more substantial commercial feel. What beginners notice first is the needle count. 4 needles may not sound dramatic, but compared to single needle systems, workflow improves immediately. A 4-color company logo now stitches without stopping. The machine also includes on-screen editing functions for rotation, resizing, and design positioning. Memory storage supports multiple designs directly on board. Setup usually takes beginners several days before comfort develops. Threading 4 needles, understanding tension systems, and learning hoop setup feels more complex initially. Long-term ownership reveals the biggest advantage: build quality. During longer production sessions, the machine stays stable with minimal vibration. The reason it ranks 4th comes down to growth logic. 4 needles improve efficiency, but businesses often outgrow 4 colors surprisingly fast. Complex customer logos expose those limitations over time. At number 3 is the Ricoma EM1010. This is where beginners stop buying machines and start investing in production systems. Pricing usually ranges from $8,000 to $11,000, depending on financing packages, software, training, and included accessories. The EM1010 features 10 needles, a maximum speed of 1,000 stitches per minute, and an embroidery area measuring approximately 12.2 by 8.2 inches. It supports DST and DSB commercial embroidery formats and includes a large 10-inch high-definition touchscreen. Machine weight exceeds 200 pounds, and honestly, beginners notice that immediately. This feels like business equipment. The 10-needle system creates one of the biggest workflow upgrades on this list. A design using 8 thread colors can run almost continuously without interruption. For custom apparel businesses and Etsy shops scaling beyond occasional orders, this matters. Cap embroidery support becomes another business advantage. New owners often underestimate hat sales until local schools, businesses, and sports teams start requesting them. Setup takes time, though. Beginners should expect a learning period of 1 to 2 weeks before workflow starts feeling natural. Long sessions are where this machine earns its ranking. Running multiple customer orders over several hours feels normal. I ranked it third because beginners can realistically scale from side hustle volume into serious order fulfillment before feeling restricted.
At number 2 is the Brother PR680W. For beginner business owners, this is one of the most balanced machines available because it focuses on reducing expensive mistakes while still delivering strong production capabilities. Pricing usually falls between $9,000 and $12,000. The PR680W uses 6 needles, reaches speeds up to 1,000 stitches per minute, and supports an embroidery area measuring approximately 8 by 12 inches. It includes wireless networking, a large touchscreen interface, automatic needle threading, and one feature beginners underestimate: built-in camera positioning. Years around embroidery businesses taught me something. Alignment mistakes destroy profit. A misplaced name on a hoodie means replacing the hoodie. That camera system genuinely helps. The machine supports PES and DST file formats and includes built-in editing tools directly through the display. Weight sits around 82 pounds, creating a stable platform for longer operation. 6 needles create a practical middle ground, enough colors for most customer jobs without overwhelming beginners. Learning time is relatively short compared with larger commercial systems. Brother also has massive user communities and support resources. It takes second place because it balances beginner comfort with long-term business usefulness better than almost anything here. At number 1 is the Melco EMT16X. This machine takes first place because this ranking isn't built around beginner comfort, it's built around long-term business thinking. Pricing generally starts around $14,000 and can exceed $20,000 depending on software, packages, and expansion configurations. The EMT16X uses 16 needles and operates at speeds up to approximately 1,500 stitches per minute. Embroidery capacity reaches roughly 15.7 by 16.1 inches depending on hoop setup and configuration. Machine weight exceeds 200 pounds, and industrial build quality becomes obvious immediately. 16 needles completely change workflow. Multicolor logos, jacket backs, and apparel jobs run with minimal interruption. One of Melco's biggest advantages is modular scalability. Businesses can add additional machine heads later instead of replacing entire systems. That matters because beginners usually underestimate growth. The learning curve absolutely exists. Most first-time owners need several weeks before operation feels natural. Maintenance is also more serious compared with home machines. Commercial ownership means cleaning schedules and regular upkeep become routine. But when order volume starts growing, reliability during long production sessions becomes extremely valuable. That's why it earns number 1. It isn't the easiest machine for beginners. It's the machine most likely to still make sense after thousands of customer orders.